Pwede bang indoor dog ang GSD or German Shepherd Dog? Ayan ang tanong ni Sir James. Sabi niya, hello, good afternoon. Pero umaga pa lang ngayon. Okay, mamaya siguro. Ask ko lang po, pwede po bang indoor dog ang GSD? Ibabawi po sa walk umaga at hapon. Thank you po. Okay, meron po mga gumagawa niyan, indoor dogs na German Shepherd Dogs. Of course, meron mga kaakibat yan na mga challenges at problema kapag kami malaki kang aso sa bahay, lalo na yung mga working dogs or mga herding dogs, kagaya ng German Shepherd Dogs or mga Belgian Malinois, Dutch Shepherds, kung meron kang Rottweiler or Doberman, Great Dane, or kung ano pa mga working dogs yan. Kahit yung malilit nga ng working dogs like mga Jack Russell Terriers, ay grabe. Kung nasa loob ng bahay nyo yung mga ganyang klaseng mga dogs na normally active dogs, no, may challenges naman po yan. Pwede naman po kung pwede. Depende na po sa maraming factors. Isa, ganong kalaki po yung bahay ninyo. Kung nakatira kayo sa maliit na condo na one bedroom, tapos may maliit na studio type or maliit na living room, it would be a bigger challenge than if you have a big house, no, na makakagala-gala yung aso mo, pupunta living room, medyo pagod na siya, pupunta naman doon sa may kitchen, pagod na rin siya. Depende po sa size ng bahay ninyo. Pangalawa, depende po yan sa mga gamit nyo sa bahay. If you have very expensive stuff, you know, like figurines and vases from China or wherever you bought these expensive items, baka po magka-problema kayo. Your dog has a big wagging tail, a big bushy wagging tail, so it's probably going to cause you some heartaches kung mahal na mahal nyo yung mga gamit niyo sa bahay. And you know, it could be a challenge then kung hindi pa trained yung aso, no? If your dog would chew on furniture, sakit ng ulo yan. If your dog would, you know, bother you in the kitchen while making food, ay nako, problema yan. So why not have your dog trained sa Manalo K9, no? The biggest dog training center, the biggest dog training facility establishment in the Philippines. We have different branches. Our main branch here is in Binangonan, Rizal. We can also do home service within Metro Manila, NCR, and we can do special requests, special accommodations or arrangements. Kung nasa province man kayo or abroad, we can accommodate your special requests. Okay, so pwede kami mag-field out ng trainers for you, etc. Okay, para yung aso ninyo medyo madaling turuan o madaling kausap at hindi magiging destructive, hindi magiging aggressive sa loob ng bahay, which could be also a big problem. Ngayon, kung ang concern nyo lang naman is yung physical exertion ng aso, no, especially German Shepherds, these are herding dogs, Belgian Malinois mas lalo na, and mga Dutch Shepherds, Dutch Shepherds and Belgian Malinois are more active in general, no, than German Shepherds. German Shepherds, if left alone, most of the time they will just be sitting around, you know, lazing around, but not Belgian Malinois and not Dutch Shepherds in general, no. So, kailangan mo ngang i-exert yung effort nila or ilabas yung energy nila, yung pent-up energy nila by exercising them umaga at hapon. Hopefully yun po yung minimum na pwedeng ibigay sa kanila. If you have a yard, if you have a garahe like me, I just let my dog loose, no, in the afternoon hanggang umaga na yan the next day. So he makes his own exercise, no, nangaharas ng ibang aso dyan sa labas, takbo-takbo siya, pumapanik sa bubong yan, may stairs kasi sa labas. Pinapatrol niya yung buong bahay namin. So he exerts all his energy that way. Pero kapag yung yung enclosure niyo sa loob ng bahay or yung pamamahay ninyo ay medyo limited, baka po kasi maging problema niyan, mag-find ways siya, parang video lang. We find ways. Your dog will find a way to you know, use up his pent-up energy, which you might not like, which you might not agree upon. So, yan na po yung mga kailangan nyo pong i-consider dyan. But if you have time nga in the morning, no, take your dog out, you let him play in the park. Kasi yung mga ganyan dogs, yung ilalakad nyo lang on a leash, it might not be enough. Kung ilalakad mo lang na maikli, no? But if you can do, 3-kilometer walks in the morning and another 3-kilometer walks or more in the afternoon, maybe, ma-exert na niya lahat ng efforts niya. So, it really depends, no? From dog to dog din, may mga dogs na talagang hyperactive, may mga dogs naman na medyo hindi hyperactive. If you're going to choose between show-type German Shepherd dogs or working line German Shepherd dogs, show type German Shepherd dogs, in general, no, they are less likely to be, alam niyo yun, parang hyperactive compared doon sa mga working line German Shepherds. Makikita niyo yung pagkakaiba ng working line German Shepherds and show type German Shepherds by their color, by their pedigrees, no, yung mga bloodlines nila. If the bloodlines come from working lines na ginagamit talaga sa work, then usually yung mga dogs na yan talagang very energetic yan, no? Parang Belgian Malinois na yung iba dyan sa galawan, sa hyperactivity. So, you have to consider din yung bloodlines, you have to consider the particular dog, kung active ba talaga yung dog. Makikita nyo naman sa aso, kahit puppy pa lang sila, makikita mo dyan kung sobrang bibo ba sila. These dogs need more attention. No? Baka pag umalis ka ng bahay, iwan mo lang siya sa loob ng bahay, na kung pag uwi mo, no, mababaliw ka na dahil sa makikita mo. So, this is normal, no, for dog people like us. So, ito pong itong problem nyo, or question nyo, pwede bang indoor dog ang GSD? Yes, of course. But, yun nga, marami na ako nasabi tungkol doon sa mga challenges na pwedeng mangyari. Kasi pag ang aso din ay hindi lagi nalalabas, especially puppies, no? Yung growing pa up to mga 1 year, pwedeng magkaroon po mga deformities yan. Of course, kapag hindi nila nagagamit yung mga muscles nila, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na atrophy, or lumiliit yung muscles nila. Of course, you don't use it, you lose it. So, yung mga muscles nila lumiliit. Yung mga muscles na yan, mga ligaments and tendons, sila yung naglalagay doon sa mga bones in the proper positioning na solid yung bones. Kaya pagkakulang sa exercise yung aso, pwedeng magkaroon ng mga structural problems yan. So, pumapangit yung yung tindig ng aso mo. Of course, we don't like that. Yung aso mo ay nagiging weak yung mga paa, kakaroon ng problems sa hips, problems sa, alam niyo yun, iba-ibang issues sa likod niya, hindi maganda yung posture. So, ito rin po yung mga considerations. And biggest suggestion ko, recommendation, of course, kung hindi pa kayo nag-SDN, feed your dog. SDN, the best dog food in the multiverse. Lalo ng mga German Shepherds, marami pong issues, no? We love German Shepherds, but ang problem sa German Shepherds, they're probably one of the breeds na pinakamaraming mga genetic problems na potential na pwede mangyari sa aso. So if you're going to get a German Shepherd pa lang, choose a really good breeder, responsible breeder, of course, pero most importantly, an intelligent breeder who knows what the bloodline brings, what his particular bloodline, yung mga genetic faults noon, genetic issues na pwedeng lumabas sa mga puppies, alam niya yon, kabisado niya yon. Like, probably, alam niya, clear yung aso niya sa hip dysplasia, clear yung bloodline niya sa elbow dysplasia or retinal atrophy, very common yan sa mga German Shepherds. Hindi man very common yan. So it's also an issue, no, kung nasa loob ng bahay yung aso niyo, hindi nakaka-exercise masyado. So bawi na lang po kayo. Pwede naman po kung sa pwede. Pero I hope na yung mga nabanggit ko lahat, ang dami kong sinasabi, no, tumalabas lang sa isip ko yan because siguro sa dami na rin naman na experience na encounter sa pag-aaso, no. And German Shepherds, I love these dogs. Kaya, yun lang, problema lang sa German Shepherds nga, hindi kagaya ng mga Belgian Malinois. Mas marami kayong kailangan, mas mahina yung nila, yung digestive system nila. Konting pagbabago lang sa food, mas may tendency silang, alam niyo yun, magda-diarrhea. So, I hope you enjoy your German Shepherds, and I'm sure alam niya ng mga nagda-German Shepherds sa atin. Thank you sa tanong po ninyo. Guys, if you have any questions, just comment below. Isang issue sa mga German Shepherds, andin nila yung bumaho, ayaw mo na mabahong aso sa loob ng bahay nyo. Ito nga pala, gamitin nyo, Super Dog Soap, at tuyuin nyo kagad after every bath. No? Ito, Super Dog Soap, kahit twice a week, 3 times a week, okay lang. Once a week, okay lang din. Pero ito, hindi babaho agad yung German Shepherd ninyo kasi may amoy talaga yung mga German Shepherds. Yun lang po. Salamat po. And IAGD, register niyo po yung aso niyo dyan for free dito sa lounge.metaanimals.org. Punta lang po kayo doon.